100?
Yeah, man, 100 in that. Is it?
So what king then?
Yeah, you don't know, so King I get old man, him can't too left the block, you don't know that. So King kind of too afraid right now. I say the man a old man, you know, so you don't know, say I me the man I said come here. You go like you don't know that. One thing. So what you know? You don't know, so King I show me a vibe, so you have some people you want to deal with.
Yo, brother, I know you stay in no man, I don't want a loud up thing.
You know, say coming like on a rate, man, like on think man a clown.
Brother, not that. Something needs tragedy. I have acted behavior, brother.
Yo, at 8 years me the wrong king, you know. And everything he want to get done and me do it, you know. If I ask him about that, whether it's loud or required, you have to just say the word. Sometimes some people will drop brawling.
So what you say? You can deal with it?
Yo, so how you think King get all them look at things them for fix things, eh? I want you, my girl. Just give me all the details, them, man, if you want to get things done, man. I want you.
My sister laid down in a hospital bed now because of some king. But guess what? I want to mash up one of them and let the rest of them alone.
I like that something there. So here what I go on now. See? Naturally when we do things to people, we do things without a meaning, but this means something to me. Why they go up and them not to stir up a problem, but King won't be staying. And King must have me the bird to do that. So right now me I try a different way. Me do something for you, you must can do something for me.
What that?
Yeah, one boy around a sea park when I want to draw it for me, you see me? So me I want to just deal with that for me. That's all I want to do for you.
So what your name?
Quick fuck. You know him?
So what you want me to do?
That's why I go around for the men's. That's why I watch it out for me and a friend. You see me? And then when we're ready, you tell them what to do. And them boy they get clown, you know. Can use any woman and draw them out. So you say, can deal with it?
Yeah, man, me deal with it.
Mad thing then, man.
Yeah, shopping. I need some things in shopping. I'm gonna need Guinness. I'm gonna need some Magnum.
Sound like Oliver thing, Charlie.
morning, Miss Bissett. How are you today?
Hi, good morning. I'm well, thank you.
Well, I'm Dr. Mackenzie, shortened form Dr. Mac. Are you sure you're ready to talk?
Well, Doc, to be honest, this really wasn't my idea. My ex-boss suggested that I needed somebody to talk to, so he gave me your number. So you came highly recommended.
Really now? Well, yes, I'm familiar with Agent X. I've worked with him before and I've dealt with a number of agents.
Doc, tell me something. Does this really work?
Yes, it really works, Miss Bissett. It helps so many persons to express themselves. But it really depends on you. Are you ready to talk to me now?
I didn't have much of a relationship with my father for two reasons. One, he was very abusive to my mother. And two, he was never a part of my adult life.
Something tells me that there's more to your story. That's all?
My father went to prison for human trafficking. I don't really like talking about it.
And you never forgave your dad for the way he treated your mom or for the human trafficking part of it?
Never. He hurt my mom and he destroyed other person's lives.
Is this why you joined the force and ultimately became an agent?
Yes. To help the ones who can't help themselves. And to let men know that they can't put their hands on me.
So would you say those experiences were your driving force for success? Or were you a success in your job?
For the most part, yes. But my job took up a major part of my life where I had to hide from friends I really cared about.
Are those experiences why you resigned from the force?
That's not the only reason, Doc.
Tell me then, what was the other reason or reasons? Miss Bissett, there is no shortcut to your conscience. Some point in time you'll have to tell what you have done, whether it's with me or with yourself. But you must face the truth.
I planned the demise of someone, and it had nothing to do with my job. Now I'm worried that my friends may be in danger of going to prison.
Only your friends? What about you?
Who is it?
Stephanie, there's someone here to see you.
Who is it? I'm busy.
Okay, I will let him know.
Steve, who is it?
It's Dr. Cummins.
Patrick Cummins, tall, dark, and athletic.
Him just a Dr. Cummins.
Send him in. Dr. Patrick Cummings.
Dr. Stephanie Clark. How are you?
I'm good, but it would be better if we got rid of the formalities.
Hello, Stephanie.
Hi, Patrick.
So nice.
Thank you. You're looking great.
Thank you. You're looking healthy and handsome.
I try.
You're doing a very good job. So, what brings you to Kingston?
Business. But I remembered this was where you are, so I decided to stop by and say hello.
I am glad you did.
Stephanie. Stephanie, are you okay?
Yes, sorry. I heard you become the head doctor of the Mandeville Hospital.
Thanks. I hear that you are in line for the same position here.
Yes, it's just that there's a situation that's under review, and as soon as that passes, I'm going to get the green light.
I'm sure you'll do a great job.
Patrick, you remember Maxine Grant?
Who can forget Maxine? Med school nerd. We used to call her Victoria Frankenstein. Wasn't she here?
Hi, Dr. Grant. Oh, please take a seat.
Thank you.
You know, I agreed to this session because I'm so curious as to what happened, with the meeting you had.
Well, I believe I was treated unfairly. I believe the meeting was rigged. They didn't allow me a chance to speak, and they were testing me so bad. So bad.
Dr. Grant, do you remember when I spoke to you about anger being your worst enemy? The sessions that you had were basically to gear you towards this meeting. And I shouldn't allow, it is expected that they were going to drill you, to find out how much of improvement you made. Did you allow them to draw you out, Dr. Grant? This is why these sessions that we had were so important, so you wouldn't get in this sort of, anger. However, I will try to see what I can do, just to see if we can get another session for you.
You know what? I don't think so. I am fine. I have some news for you.
There has always been a bitter rivalry between you two from med school. I thought that would have passed.
There's always going to be an issue because I am conventional and she's unorthodox.
Nothing is wrong with unorthodox, as long as you get the job done. And truth is, she is a good doctor.
So that's why you like her in med school?
Me? Never like Maxine them way there.
She seems to think so. She said you liked her instead of me.
Maxine has always been delusional.
Remember, I was telling you about somebody that I was working on?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Wow, it seems to be working. Your face is glowing. Tell me more.
Well, I think I'm in love. I brought him back from the dark side, and he brought me back from the edge.
Who is this young man?
Young. Well, he's not necessarily young. Well, young at heart, but he's handsome. And he's strong, and he's
Well, it seems like a lot has been going on in your life. You know, I have all the time to listen.
Well, we have a lot in common and we have a lot of things planned. Let me ask you, I saw a lady earlier. She's in black and white and I think she was coming from your office. Can you...
Dr. Grant, I don't believe you're asking me that question. You have got to understand that there is a doctor-patient confidentiality clause there.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cross the line. I was just, you know what, never mind. Doc, thank you so much for this session. Thank you for listening. Thank you for teaching me. Thank you. And you may never know. I mean, there may just be an invitation in the mail for you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Bye.
Have a good day.
I said the same thing. Patrick, what you had in med school, was it real for you?
At that time, yes.
So why did you disappear?
I was career driven and I just didn't think that I wanted to share that with a relationship.
What about now?
What about now?
Are you seeing anyone?
No, I'm not.
How long will you be in Kingston?
3 days.
Lunch?
Okay, sure. Well, I had best be going. I need to get back to the business that I came here to handle, so I will see you.
Food is life.
So yeah, say I go on now, Dada.
You don't know, so the thing what we get, brother. I try to get through that because here I go and them no want to pack, we go link them, you know. But we try to get through that right now, but come like nobody no want it. We even drop all the price from a meal to 800.
Boy, the more things change, the more them remain the same.
One shop lad, or did we get back here? You know the code, you know we have to get rid of this. Because right now things are really seems pretty, you know, so we can do for it.
Here what? Yeah, make 2 phone calls.
You know, I always tell you we can rely on the damn Dada, man. Oh, I'm here. Like Shappy, it's not even half our problems them right now. Because watch you know, look at things go down on the front for the and I tell you. Dada they not to say thing that is not take no call. But 100 times now, dial phone number, I not get him for. Best of them still, you know. That's our focus right now, to get rid of the product.
So what going?
You know the thing set with Sea Park and Red Lake. What do you kill your pass for me, bro? And quick foot team and rush him.
Then a quick foot kill him, brother.
Yeah, but they never slap a 3 man from over here. I will never retaliate. A piece we are trying to deal with right now. So all this will go down right now, brother. You even know how this is going to sort, you know. And you don't know kill already, you know. The man there, the hat on him foot, you know. A broad day, the man goes so, you know, brother. So right now, that we are trying to call kill. See what I want. We don't want to start up, but not the riot now, the real way. You see what I appreciate it?
Why, brother? Code is life, you know. But you know, I forgot to deal with that step on one, you know, brother. I'm done, so I try to deal with that already. I have to be an artist, brother. A little bit from this and that I pursue, you know, brother. You understand me? I say, oh, it look for me if you go up on stage, you know, and a man just come in front of my stage in the audience and go, BLAM! My 3 points, brother, it's me always a professor. See me I deal with. So this, you have to deal with from one, brother.
You have everything under control, still shopping. Greatest thing, you're going to make a link to get the product out. You get what I say? After we get the product out, thing good, fix things and fix things.
So quick foot then. I feel too safe out on the front end.
Oh yeah, try so. The dandelions them can't protect you. Oh yourself man. Stay so. Wow.
Well protected man, shot lad. What you talk about, man?
Yeah, so I not tell you. I tell you, so I think she's going to come to karaoke. 4 days now, you know? 4 days. I call her phone and I not get her. Yeah. I don't know, you know. You come around here? Alright then, alright.
Damian. Damian. Damian.
Yeah?
Good evening, Damian inside?
No. I'm the run of the studio.
Alright, thanks.
So hold on there. You're an artist?
Yeah, why?
Your face look familiar.
You too. But the Damian wagwan.
Wagwan sexy body sasik. You never know say you're still a forward.
And you tell me say you have art with him, then I must reach over here.
I say I take the artist thing really serious, you know. I'm like that.
Damian from with your school, me I take the artist thing serious, you know. But you never take me serious.
Me I take it serious now.
But nah lie, you know the karaoke thing, they have all like a vibes, you know.
Yeah man, I saw the road here, so you know. You know say it's like every month where I do that something, yeah.
For real?
Yeah man, every end of the month where I do that something, yeah, man.
Alright, me have to go forward next time again. Clear the beat, me here, you know?
Oh, see yeah, man. We did a bounce earlier before you forward, you know.
So you don't have no link for him?
I don't have no address, no phone number, nothing at all.
I don't understand 5. So she just leave with him and not say nothing to you?
Nothing. I don't know if I true me tell her say go on to her Friday the 13th, she take offense to it.
Goody, why you call him that?
Because she say him grab her up and him choke her.
What? What you mean?
She said them go up on date. And them attack and then him grab her.
And she sleep up there one night and him a toss and a turn in the bed. And she try to wake him up. Then he just jump up out of him sleep and start choke her.
Then ear choke her. No man, this not safe goodie. You know see what go on with woman now get take away.
Bubbles, me know. But the child is stuck up by herself and she just gone.
How them link up?
One day, him come around here for record music and
Damien!
Mountain Matic White Overproof Rum. Seriously smooth. Mountain Matic Rum Punch. Get back your punch. There is no other rum punch that can equal the pleasure. Mountain Matic Gold Rum is quality and intriguing with a distinctive flavor. Your taste buds will love the kick. Get ready to fuel your force. Satisfaction is automatic with Matic. Hit up Matic Rums on social media pages or call 876-533-4826 or 799-4895 for your Matic deals. Roll with your Matic. Roll responsibly.
Hi, my name is Soren Holness, Events and Marketing Manager here at the Gulfview Hotel, one of the sponsors of the Bartender series. So if you're ever in Mandeville, you're hosting an event, you just want to relax with your family, and if you want to shoot a film, this is a place to be. Gulfview Hotel Mandeville in the heart of Jamaica, from the heart of Jamaica.
You know, so me have a bad song we can fit on the rhythm, yeah?
Yeah? Alright, me here we have.
Alright, pull it up again and put it back. The boy a bad up himself a go on bad for the body and but he gonna go on mad for my body and make chat but you can't left. But it's like a death, the boy deaf. Say Len me did Len it. Me never give him it a same, so me telling me Len me did Len me.
Gone enough.
A good body over. Len me did Len me.
Body over.
And do it. Fi put him make a chip in it. Len me did Len me.
Go on tonight. Go on tonight.
Body belongs to me.
Yeah.
Me and me only.
Sure.
I wanna lend it out for free.
No, sir.
Low me.
Tell them for what?
What if I lend it to another man?
Yeah.
Another man. Mama
Yeah.
another man fi send me go a money. What the boy I try to?
You go on in there go call him here.
You come.
Go on now, you gonna call him.
You know, me now waste no time. I feel for record this right now.
Anything or anything, I'm ready right now.
Yeah, man. Bubbles, what that is a session me already know.
Baby, I'm sorry, but me need a minute of your time, please.
I want me know.
Me need to ask you something.
Bubbles, I work in a star.
Baby.
Alright. Sassy, give me a minute, yeah?
Alright, do your thing.
Goodie.
Bubbles, I want this to call me for work, me that work, you know. Yo, I work, me that work in a star.
We can get a minute of your time, please, sir?
And what happened now?
You have a number for your friend, Trilla?
Why?
DB. 5 took up herself and just leave. And 4 days now when I hear from her, she not answer her phone.
A quarantine time now, suppose I'm just locked down. Plus, she a big man.
Hello, I went since I get the hype. Just give me the number now. Cause this is unlike 5. For going nowhere. And you don't want to keep the link with we.
Okay, I'm left my phone nice there.
See?
Alright, see number. What happened?
I don't know, Mama, why I'm not going to your phone.
I'm done with me now. Hurt me, you know.
It got a voicemail. Winston?
You wanna done with me?
Where we are go? Come Bubbles. Get too high. It still got a voicemail.
Wayne, what go on? Trace a number for me now. Give me the number. Yeah. 876.
Ready?
I take that boy, he want hurt me for me. I want take that boy, the boy bad up himself, I go on bad for the body and but we gonna go on mad for the body and make chat, but we can't left. But it's like a deaf, the boy deaf. Say Len me did lend him it, I never give him it. I see him, so me tell him it. Len me did lend him it, me good body over. Len me did lend him it a little bit, fi put him little chip in it. Len me did lend him it.
You know, say that when you're gone, though.
The girl them gonna love it, man. What you say, bad though?
And look a killer from school turn big artist now.
Like a killer and like no more.
I can't see that.
So when you gonna mix and master the song so we can get it?
Alright, just give me 3 days.
You have to go early because I will want to do the video and you have to go in it.
Want me in it?
What you mean? You have to in it.
That sound good. Me in it. Like that.
Right, this sir. Good boy, have to in it.
Hi, shop person?
Show me my name here. Not shop person.
Oh, okay. Do you know where Winston is?
I'm down on the road, you know.
Charmaine. Can I speak to you for a minute?
And that way I don't know.
In the kitchen, please. Alright. So Winston left me this recipe book, right? But I really have no idea how to use it. So I was wondering if you could help me make something for him.
Oh, so you finally realize that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Yeah, you're ramen. You want me not use recipe book. Mama cooking me deal with it.
You mean like, whose mama? Like my mama, his mama, your mama? Like I don't understand.
Sandra, where shall we keep the pot then?
I don't know. At home they usually hung them on the ceiling. I don't know where they are. Let me check over here. I don't know. It's not there. It's not there either.
Like seriously? Let me see. Okay.
Yay, you found them. Alright, so what do we do first? Do we get the water? Do we get the stuff that goes in the water? I don't know. What do we do first? Let's go.
Ease yourself, my girl. This is a process. Hold up. Let me check and see what's here. Okay, so rice is here, peas is here. I have seasoning. Let me check and see if there's chicken in the fridge. Okay, good. We have chicken. Alright, here what? We'll do some rice and peas and chicken. But guess what? I'm not gonna do it. And you are gonna do it. I'm just gonna show you the steps then.
You mean I have to cook it? You sure don't want to help me?
If you want your man to rate you, and you have to cook for him. You can't expect me to cook for your man. Here what? Come.
Okay. Good night, Winston.
Good night.
How was your day?
My day did alright still.
That's nice. But I have a surprise for you and I think it's gonna make your day even better.
Surprise. Sandra, me tell us I'm gonna do them surprise something there, you know.
You're gonna love this one. Hold on, give me a sec. Surprise!
What's for dessert?
I don't know. You tell me.
Well, I'll try the food. The fork will be good.
What did you say?
A fork would be good.
Oh, for the food. Oh, okay. Give me a sec. I knew that's what you said.
are you doing in here?
Nothing, mommy.
So that's in here, do. Take this and read it.
My name is
That's why I tell you, take your book and stop rampant ties.
Okay, so today was a great day. So I went and I visited my doctor. It was a good meeting. Let me tell you, I have great things in store. So what was your day like? Carl? Carlton? Are you okay? Carlton, you're hurting me. Stop. Let go. Let go. Carlton, stop. Stop! What is wrong with you? Give it. Carlton!
Touch.
What is wrong with you? Ah!
Touch.
Okay, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Carlton, stop. Stop! What the hell is wrong with you?